So I'm Duncan Goldie-Scot, and I run 3 mobile payment companies in Kenya, dealing with the poor informal sectors in Kenya. Well, I was most interested in the Bitcoin discussion because it's interesting hearing Bitcoin explained, and I'm trying to start a Bitcoin business myself. And it's interesting listening to the questions from more regular members of the financial community who are still struggling to come to terms with the implications of digital currencies. I mean, most of my work is in Kenya, so this is a market where 85% of the population do not have any access to formal financial services. But in the last few years, we've seen the launch of mobile payment systems and mobile saving schemes that are now used by more than 80% of the population. So people can deposit money, send money to their families very cheaply over the mobile phone network, completely bypassing the banking system. So just as developing countries don't need a fixed telephone network, they don't need a banking system either. We can do everything on the mobile. One of my companies is a microfinance institution that only uses mobile payments and not cash. And so before I started that, I went down to a group meeting of traditional borrowers in a microfinance institution and demonstrated MPESA. And I was trying to work out how much training they would need to appreciate the benefits. And the first question I was asked after a demonstration was, when can we have it? So people understood it intuitively, instantly. And they could see the benefits. The main challenge we face at the moment is the remittance market, because a lot of Africa survives by people in the first world sending money back home. And that, to date, relies on the existing financial infrastructure, the banks and Western Union, and it's just way too expensive. Well, I love these networking events because obviously the people who come are the people who are interested in the same businesses as I am. And so I've met a dozen or more people who I will continue to engage with. It's been very useful. Duncan Goldie-Scot, it's on.